Hello YouTube peeps, we'll switch up our dining a little bit. As you know, I really love my rotor lights, but today we're playing. So in the 47-inch softbox, we have a Godox 8200 for firing. We're also shooting a Godox 350 flash through and abroad, something a little different. Let's have a look. Of course, my lovely wife Lily is our model today.
As always. That's my job, to be wife and model, right? And go.
Don't keep them so far back and forward. You change the exposure, right? That's the same one spot. Yeah, don't be smart either. Let's see, we'll close that one. No, don't. And these are just headshots today, by the way. Obviously.
Obviously.
Obviously. Thumbnails. Thumbnails.
For Facebook.
Is that like that? And I thought you heard a formula. Beautiful, huh? Wow, this is nice. So nice. It's beautiful. Look at you. Back a couple more.
This is my trick.
What's that? Okay, hang on a sec. Go for it. Do it again. Do it again. 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 Awesome. Alright. Hold on. Put my hands there. You little boobies. Hands in your head. You can't see them, but. And do both hands again behind. Both hands up. Turn your palms down. Nice. Nice. Alright. That concludes the nice. I think that's fun. Maybe your specs on it, great. Something. So that was a nice little test. It's the first time we used the 47-inch Godox with the AD, and you saw from previous we used the rotor lights. Thanks for watching. You can find me at Rob and Naught on Facebook, and Naught Rob Photography on Instagram, and right here on YouTube. Lilia, my key step, tell them where they can find you.
Well, so you can find me on Instagram at Teach the Diet Studio, on Facebook under Lilia, obviously not, and on YouTube under Teach the Diet Studio. Come.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.
And
keep checking our channel for more fun videos.
yes, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, take care.